this video, I would like to explain about peptide bond formation. That is how a peptide bond is formed. As we all know that alpha amino acids are bifunctional compounds. Bifunctional compounds, that is, they contain a carboxylic acid group and amino group on alpha carbon. This is the structure of an alpha amino acid. Here you can see a carboxyl group, COOH group, and an amino group which is attached to the alpha carbon. Here you can see an R group. This R group is either a hydrogen group or an alkyl group or an aryl group. So this R group may be a hydrogen or an alkyl group or an aryl group. This is the basic structure of an alpha amino acid. Now let us discuss about the peptide bond formation. In the peptide bond formation, the carboxyl group of one amino acid react with the amino group of the other amino acid, the amino group of the neighboring amino acid, forming a peptide bond, that is CONH bond, with the elimination of the water molecule. So the reaction is in between the COH and NH2. Here one molecule of H2O is released. From here one OH and from here one H. So H2O is released. So we get CONH bond. This is the peptide bond or peptide linkage. So the reaction of COH group of one amino acid and NH2 group of the neighboring amino acid molecule, forming peptide bond having CONH linkage with the elimination of the water molecule. Let us see how this peptide bond is formed between two amino acids. The first amino acid, NH2, CH, C double bond O, CHR1, COOH. And the next amino acid, NH2, CHR2, C double bond O, OH. So these are two alpha amino acids. Two alpha amino acids. Here the reaction is in between the COH group and NH2 group. So this OH combines with this H and releases water. And forming a peptide bond in between these two. So we get a peptide bond like this. H2N, CHR1, C double bond O, NH, CHR2, C double bond O, OH. So this is the peptide bond, CONH bond, with the release of the water. So when two alpha amino acids join together forming peptide bond and releases the water molecule. So when two amino acids combine together, we get a structure like this. So ONH. If this again react with one another amino acid, we get a tripeptide. CHCO how it gives. So this is the structure of the tripeptide. Tripeptide. Here you can see two ONH bonds. So it is a tripeptide. So three amino acids units are linked together by two dipeptide bonds. So this is known as a tripeptide. Tripeptide. If this reaction repeats itself, we get tetra, penta, and finally polypeptides or proteins. So if it continues, we get tetra, penta, and finally polypeptides. This is all about peptide bond formation.